Do you have the insights you need to understand the health of your product and make data-driven product decisions? With Gainsight PX, product teams tackle these challenges, going beyond surface-level metrics to deeply understand their users through world-class product analytics. Gainsight PX intelligently maps your application and eliminates manual work with an automated suggestion mode that recognizes how your product is structured. As your product evolves, adjust your product tree without losing a single data point and backfill data on newly mapped features. Once mapped, analyze adoption rates by feature and drill down to see which users are engaging. Use powerful filtering capabilities to slice and dice data instantly. And dive into user retention and cohort analysis to discover the sticky features driving value and bringing users back. Layer on sentiment analysis to understand the why behind contrasting user behaviors. Create custom funnels to analyze user journeys, pinpoint where users drop off, and make smarter decisions around UI and UX improvements. From there, understand how users enter and naturally move through your product, where they're experiencing friction, and where interventions can drive adoption. Take it a step further to measure how engagements perform and determine their impact on feature adoption. Go beyond out-of-the-box reports and easily create custom data queries to ask and answer tough product questions. While deep analysis tracks product fitness at a granular level, dashboards quickly surface key insights, including over 30 out-of-the-box widgets designed for product managers. Obtain the critical insights needed to prioritize and defend roadmap decisions and accelerate your impact. Get in touch today.